Hi, how are you? My name is Saul. I'm a mortgage broker. I'm based in Sydney, but I can serve anyone anywhere in Australia. Okay. Today's topic is about why you shouldn't build this year. Okay. And this is not a financial advice. I love sharing everything I know with my audience. That's why I'm sharing. Okay. But even if two people have the same job, their other situations are different. So and their personalities are different. So the result they get are different. Okay. So obviously this is not a financial advice. Okay. Okay. Why you shouldn't build? Okay. Everybody know that the border shut. Okay. So no labor. No easy labor or material delay, so the waiting time like up to like 6 months now, and the building costs are now up by 30-40% in some places 10%. Okay. Because too much demand, the government give out a lot of benefit. Okay. No more home builder benefit, but still you get like first home buyer grant 10,000 to 15,000 if you build a new home or buy a new home. So too much demand, less supply, delay in supply, so the builder, they cut costs, they cut corners. So there could be a lot of defects. A builder could go bankrupt. So with the new building, there's like 6 years warranty. Okay. And my friend broker, he has a client, builder, it took builder 6 years, and builder still don't fix his defects. So it gone to the stage, the people who bought the home might have to go to court with the builder to get the money back or to get things fixed. So there's a warranty, there's an insurance, but if builder don't behave, you could end up in the court. Okay. And there's lawyer cost is high in Australia, so probably not worth going to court. So all that thing, emotional cost, money cost. So maybe if you can wait about 12 months or 18 months, I think things will get settled that time, not now. Okay. So, and also if you buy a new home, you usually have to go out of the city. So less infrastructure, less station, train station, maybe less shopping, less school. So there might be other costs. You might have to drive longer. Okay. Petrol costs and other costs. Okay. And people selling land without infrastructure, stage by stage. So that means you buy land now, the land's not ready yet. When it's ready, there may be more land released. So the more supply, that means the less demand. So your value of the land could go down at that time, not now. It's high now because of government grant. Everybody want the grant, that's why it's high. Okay. Yeah, but the high is not gonna stay long. The high will stay if it's already established suburb, but new suburb, there's very risky. And a new building, to be honest, builder already taken the advantage. So when you buy house and land, there's hardly any land left. House and the next house, a house, no land after that, very small, like a townhouse, you know. That means what goes up in value is the land, not the house. So your house less likely to go up in value in comparison to the existing house in the next suburb, you know. So I think it's better to buy existing house with bigger land than new home with small land. Okay. And yeah, that's about all I want to say. And also when you build, it won't have, you won't get it ready tomorrow, you know. Normally it take 9 months to 1 year, you know. But due to COVID, it take 2 years, so you'll be renting that time, so rent costs. And when you do construction loan, you pay by installments. So when foundation finish, you start paying. So you start paying interest and principal before you start living there. Okay, so rent cost and cost of the loan, cost of the repayment to the bank before you start living there. Okay. Thanks a lot. That's about it. I hope this video helped you. You know, if it does, I ask you to please like and share it. I think your friend, family, relatives will enjoy this, you know, if that's their topic of interest. Okay. All my details are in the post. Thank you very much. May you have a good night, good day tomorrow. May you be healthy, wealthy, and wise. Have a good night. Thank you very much. Bye.